Hello, alright, USA. My name is Viviana Olaya, and in this video I want to share with you 3 things that you can do to boost the traffic to your website. All I'm asking in return is for your feedback. So I chose Miami as an example. So this is a landing page for Miami, and here I can see that you have the click to call button, you have the contact us form, more click to call buttons over here, description of the services that you provide, the service areas nearby, and in general terms, it is a well laid out back page or landing page in this case. In terms of the amount of content, right now it's around 1089 words. I had a look at 2 of your competitors for water damage restoration. So here we have Surf Pro, the landing page for Miami. This landing page has description of services, some pictures, and they have around 900 words. And Water Damage Miami LLC, they have also the different services that they provide, some more description, and they are sitting around 1400 words. So in terms of the content and the amount of content and the layout, it's looking good. But probably what you need to have a better look at is the keywords. And what are those keywords that people are searching for, value intent keywords, so that you can put them in here and Google can find you for those keywords and can start ranking you. So what I mean by keyword is that I type in Google search water damage restoration Miami, and the first section that I see is the Google ads, which are good at driving traffic, but they can be very expensive, and also some people just turn them off and they skip them all together. The second section is the GMBs. GMBs are driving 40% of the traffic, so you really want to rank in this one. To rank at the top, you need pictures, you need reviews, and you also need citations. And a citation is anywhere your business is listed on a directory, showing the name, the business name, the phone number, and they have to match those in your Google Business Profile so that Google can verify you and can rank you at the top. Now, the third section is the Google Organic Search. And to rank at the top of the Google Organic Search, you not only need to be found by Google, but you also need something called backlinks. And to analyze that, we use a tool called Aries. Right now, I am looking at your landing page only, so I can see here this is water damage restoration. This is just the landing page for Miami. And I can see that it has 11 backlinks in 5 referring domains. So that is 11 links in 5 external websites directing traffic towards that particular landing page. If I have a look at Surf Pro, they don't have any backlinks or referring domains, but I believe the reason why they are being ranked at the top is because their domain rating is 75 out of 100, and probably because they are targeting the relevant keywords. And the second competitor, so Water Damage LLC, they have 3,510 backlinks in 428 referring domains. So there's a little bit of work to do in terms of backlinks so that you can actually provide more power to your website, and in this particular case for the Miami landing page, so that you can actually rank at the top. In terms of the organic keywords, it says that we are being ranked just for Miami services for 18 keywords. So in this view I can see what those keywords are, and it shows me the search volume of those keywords and the position in which you are appearing for those keywords. So anything beyond the 10th position, 11th position, means that you're already on the second page of Google, so it's going to be hard for you to attract that traffic. And also you want to target those keywords that have a higher search volume. So for example, this one, Water Damage Miami, has a search volume of 250 searches per month, and you're appearing on the 10th position. Water Damage Restoration Miami, search volume of 300, and you're appearing on the 11th position. Now if I have a look at Surf Pro, they are being ranked for 35 words, just the landing page of Miami again. And you can see here that they are in the top positions for the first and the second page. If I look at Water Damage LLC, they are being ranked for 363 words. I filtered here by Miami, Fort Lauderdale, Florida, and I can see here that they are in the first, third, second, fourth position for Water Damage Miami, Water Damage Restoration Miami, Water Damage Restoration Miami 100, 100. So here they are targeting keywords that have higher search volumes, and because they are in the top positions, it means that their website was in front of these apps add up to 900 searches per month. Just these keywords, the ones that I have highlighted. So it means that their website was in front of 900 people per month, and then a percentage of those people actually click on the link that took them to their website. Another percentage reach out to them, and depending on their closing rate, they were able to land them and close and convert them into customers. So that's the reason why we want to have and drive and increase the traffic. Also, important to mention that you not only want to have more backlinks, but also you want to have those backlinks sitting on websites that are relevant to your service and to your niche, because it means that Google is able to verify these, and it's going to give you extra credit and extra points for that. So that's all I wanted to share with you today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like it, you can go ahead and implement it on your own. Otherwise, I would be more than happy to hear from you. Have a nice one. Bye-bye.